Hi everybody. Actually have created idea for Blizzard, which is if I create a character just like this one and we name it like Troll Tal just for fun. We have to put a password for this character, so nobody can log in this character until he find out what is the password. So okay, let's say each character have a password, so even if my account get hacked, nobody can delete my characters, nobody can steal my account, and nobody can cry, because I actually heard a lot of people they just get hacked and account deleted, and this kind of stuff. So I hope it's good idea, and peace.